Welcome. It was kind of funny. I was working in my living room the other day and got some plants that need a new flower pot. And one of those epiphanies hit you and I suddenly had the perfect idea. And of course, like every great idea, you can go to Thingiverse and find out that somebody beat you by like a year. Um, but not one to be discouraged, of course. I just found the one I wanted, printed it out on the Prusa i3 Mark III, and did it in a bigger scale, filled the bed the best I could, almost 200 millimeters high. Stick around, let's talk about what I did. I'll give you a little look-see, and hope you'll enjoy. I'm Ron, and this is my place. Welcome back. So I had my great idea and of course got devastated when I found out that it was already done, like most good ideas. But I still printed it and it turned out actually amazing. You can see the other baby Groot here. I thought that was decent size. This is just a monstrosity. I printed this in MakerGeeks Fossil, Urban Fossil, at a 0.2 layer height, default settings on Slic3r Prusa edition. This was actually using release 4 of the firmware. I later upgraded after this and did another print that you'll see, which is actually release 5. So this was the older release. Tried to use filament detection and was just getting tons and tons. I bet on this print alone I got 6 false detects. Kept blowing out the sensor and I finally turned it off because I wasn't at risk. But kind of frustrating. So anyways, as you can see, absolutely gorgeous finish. You can see underneath the chin supports, that was kind of bad. I regret printing supports. I actually didn't mean to, but the rest of it is absolutely beautiful. Zero flaws whatsoever. And of course you can see where the pot goes, and if you go in here you can see there's a couple holes and they drain out here. So I'll put the pot in, the flower in there. Should grow it. I think it'll look really cool. And then of course it'll drain out. And then the more I was thinking about it, I'm like, well, heck, I should make something for this to go sit in. Something tells me I probably did, and it could be my next video. Anywho, baby Groot, ready to start growing. Once I get some plant in it, I'll probably do a little video, a little show and tell maybe, or I'll put it back there so people can see it. Anywho, there's no time lapse because Octoprint's still not working. I'm hoping with the latest firmware release that they actually got Octoprint stable, and then I can start using it and start getting some time lapses going. But until then, it's just not worth the hassle. So, anywho, again, thanks for stopping by. Another good print. This was, again, like I said, MakerGeeks Urban Fossil, 0.2 layer heights, 235 nozzle, 60 on the bed. Worked really, really well. No problems. Thank you much. Enjoy and print everything you can.